Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve question bank of sociology English medium of class 12th. We will start it from question 1a. Question 1a is complete the following statements by choosing correct alternatives given in the bracket and rewrite it. First statement is the sacred book of Jews is, and three options are given: Tripitakas, Torah, Avesta, and the correct answer is Torah. Second sentence, the Purusharthas is a part of dash dash teaching. Options are given: Hindu, Muslim, Christian. Purusharthas are there in Hindu religion, so Hindu is a right option. Third, Digambar and Shwetambar are sects in Jainism, Buddhism, Hinduism. In Jainism there are two sects, Digambar and Shwetambar. So Jainism is a correct answer. Fourth sentence is Maktabs were centers of. Options are given: higher learning, theological training, elementary education. In these three options, elementary education is the right option, correct option. Fifth, the path of action is called. And three options are given: Bhakti Marg, Karma Marg, Yoga Marg. Path of action is called Karma Marg. Sixth sentence, Seva Sadan was started by. Options are given: Radhakant Deb, Mahatma Gandhi, Behramji Malbari. Seva Sadan was started by Behramji Malbari. So Behramji Malbari is correct option. Seventh, the POSCO Act was passed in the year. POSCO Act. When we try to search POSCO Act, then we will find the POSCO Act was passed in the year 2012. So 2012 is the right option. Eighth, over 55% of tribal people live in dash dash region: Middle Indian, Himalayan, Western Indian. So the right option is Middle Indian. Ninth, the minimum voting age for Indian citizen is dash dash year: 14, 18, 21. The minimum voting age for Indian citizen is 18 years. So 18 is a right option. 10th, the dash dash tribe belongs to the Western India region. Options are Warli, Irula, Garo. In it, Warli is the right answer. 11th, the term animism was introduced by. Options are James Fraser, Edward Taylor, Max Muller. And the correct option is Edward Taylor. 12th sentence, according to 2011 census of India, about dash dash percent of the Indian population lives in rural areas. And options are given: 51, 69, 75. Out of it, 69 is the correct option. 13th sentence, the community development program was started in the year. Three options are given: 1948, 1950, 1952. So the correct option is 1952. 14th, Secondary type relations are significant in dash dash community, urban community, rural community, tribal community. So the right option is urban community. 15th, housing for all is dash dash development program. So it is three options are given: tribal, rural, urban. So rural is the right answer. Housing for all is a rural development program. 16th sentence, anthropologist B.S. Guha has classified the population into dash dash races. Three options are given: 4, 6, 8, and the right answer is 6. 17th sentence, the seven sisters refer to the states dash dash India, western, northeast, north. So we know that seven sisters is called to northeast region. So northeast is right answer. 18th, the term gay refers to dash dash relationship: female female, female male, male male. So this is the term gay. Gay is what? Male male relationship. To female female relationship we called lesbian. So male male relationship is the right option. 19th, 21st February is celebrated as. Options are given: International Mother Language Day, Labor Day, Earth Day, and the right answer is International Mother Language Day. 20th sentence, the years 1975 to 1985 was announced as International Decade for. Options are workers, women, farmers, and the right answer is women. 21st sentence, an example of an environmental movement is. Options are given: बेल बचाओ आंदोलन, चंपारण struggle, नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन, and the right answer is नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन. 22nd sentence, the process of globalization was started in India by Finance Minister. Option are given: Dr. Manmohan Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, Pramod Mahajan, and the right answer is Dr. Manmohan Singh. 23rd sentence, on January 1999 a national policy was announced for well-being of. Options are older persons, poor, pregnant women, and the right answer is older persons. 24th sentence, the All India Women's Conference was established in the year. Options are given: 1926, 1948, 1975, and the correct answer is 1926. 25th sentence, the Champaran struggle took place in dash dash in 1917 to 18, and options: Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. As we know, Champaran is there in Bihar, that's why Bihar is the right answer. 26th, in 1980 the Shetkari Sangatna was formed under the leadership of, the name of leaders are given: Sharad Joshi, Charan Singh, Swami Sahajananda Saraswati, and the correct answer is Sharad Joshi. 27th sentence, domestic violence takes place in. Options are given: school, family, workplace. So domestic violence is a part of family. That's why family is the correct answer. 28th, Jeevan Jyot Vyasan Mukti Kendra is an organization that works to solve the problem of, options are given, old age, unemployment, addiction, and the correct answer is addiction. 29th sentence, selfitis is a problem related to dash dash addiction, and the right answer is, the options are given, mobile, substance, internet, and the right answer is mobile. 30th sentence, the three language formula was devised in dash dash conference in 1961. Chief ministers, prime ministers, governors, and the right answer is chief ministers. Means the three language formula was devised in the chief ministers conference in 1961. Here we have completed question first A of the question bank regarding the subject sociology of 12th class. If you want to watch the similar videos, subscribe our channel. If you want to see all the videos from our channel, press the bell icon button. If you like this video, share among your friend. If you have any comment, reply, information, then write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.